is an electric screwdriver set by Hogert Technik. Perfect for electricians and other professionals. It comes nicely packed in a convenient carrying case. Ergonomic handle provides steady and comfortable grip. It is equipped with quick change bead system. Simply insert a selected blade into a handle to secure it and twist the ring to release it. The set comes with following blades: 4 slotted, 2 Phillips, 2 Pozidriv and 3 Torx. Blades and a handle are 1000 volts VDE certified. Additionally, the kit contains a 100 to 500 volts AC voltage tester. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.